I don't know whether you've seen this, but at the top of the website, you can download a bingo sheet where if you hear the science words during the day, you can obviously put a big cross over them. And also, as you hear different subjects being talked about in the different sciences, you can colour in the circles and the ellipses on that sheet there, and aim to try and either cross out the whole bingo sheet by the end of the day, or colour in all the circles and ovals. So have a go with that. Our next talk is another video, and this one has been kindly prepared by John Bibby. So John normally comes to the Science in the Park in Priory Park as well, and he launches rockets for us, which are jet powered with pressurized water. So he very kindly came out with me a few weeks ago when the sun was shining, and we put together this little video for you.
It works best when it's a third full.
Okay.
And as this is a 500 millilitres, a third full I think comes out at 150.
Yep. Near enough.
The optimum angle for launch to get maximum distance is 45 degrees.
Okay.
He says going which is about, we're currently at what, 30 to the vertical, right, so it's a little high. Take it down a little. Yep.
Yeah, not far off, is it?
Not far off 45 degrees.
Okay.
Pressure should normally be, well, in the park, I don't put it above 40.
Right.
But, anyhow, we'll start with 40.
Yep. See how it goes, right. Ah, wonderful. Ah, now you've got to find it.
Have achieved a distance of 17 metres.
Very good. Can you remember how far it's gone in the park in the past? Similar distance or?
About that.
Yeah.
Max. It's 200, too much. Yep, 150. As we only have a limited amount of air in the tank, then what did we use? Oh, not too much.
No.
Good. Still 45 degrees. Oh, it came loose. All right. Now we're going to give it some welly. $80 psi.
Okay.
We've doubled the pressure and
almost too fast as it came out there.
and we're up to 22.
Okay.
Now, I was expecting it to go a lot further.
It sort of went into a bit of a twist, didn't it?
It did. There was an awful lot of horizontal. Now, sometimes in the park I've used 200. So we'll do that.
Yeah. Okay.
Be where I don't want to be, like behind it. Oh, we've got the wind behind. Ah, that's why it's going flatter. We've got the wind behind us.
Right, well that went a lot higher.
Yes. We've got 14 metres.
Right. Yeah, but very much higher. Maybe about 3 times, 4 times higher, I think.
Yes. Was more like 60 degrees.
Yeah.
So we bring it back down to our 45, 30.
So the water's really acting as the propellant, isn't it? It's being forced out the back.
It is being forced out the back by the air pressure. There is a Stokes something or other equation for pressure and velocity.
Right.
And what it's basically doing is going from 0 velocity to some higher velocity out here, like it's accelerating.
Yep.
Newton, force equals mass times acceleration. So by accelerating that mass out the back, we are creating a force. His third law then states equal and opposite reactions.
Yep.
So that force on the liquid translates to force on the rocket, which then accelerates it.
Yep.
There is an optimum amount of liquid. If you have too much, then you're trying to push too much mass in the air. And if you have too little, you're not actually generating that much force.
Yep.
Because it empties before the pressure's really down.
Yep.
Right. Right, we have 70 psi.
Quite a bit lower that time.
It was. I think the trajectory is a bit unpredictable.
It is.
Which is why I don't put too much pressure in the park.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Can't guarantee where it goes. No propellant and just gas.
Yeah. Yeah, more sedentary, isn't it? That? Yeah. Yeah, so basically all you're getting there is the mass of the air, which is a lot lower, being accelerated out the back.
And now we go to the other extreme and have too much water.
Yep.
To show what happens there. It's 300 millilitres, about twice the normal load.
Mm-hmm.
Pressure is down to 60 psi.
Mm-hmm.
And
Not too bad actually, was it? Just went off in a different direction.
do you want to have a go at getting wet?
Okay. Why not?
That in? Yep, that's it. You're being videoed now.
Okay. Okay. So up to what shall I go to?
Oh, just let it go to the max.
The max.
It'll probably only go up to 60 because that's all there is left in the tank.
And then how do I release it?
The
Is it that?
no,
No.
the handle underneath your feet.
Oh yes, I wasn't watching it. Right. Okay, 3, 2, 1, lift off. Oh, that was fairly reasonable. Did you get it?